This lesson is just a 2-minute tutorial. If you are new on this channel, you can please subscribe and follow more of our lessons. Today's lesson is how to change an eye color. We are going to change the eye color of this picture. Let us go straight to our lesson so that I teach you how to change an eye color. First of all, go to create new fill or adjustment layer. Click on it, select solid color. You select solid color, click on it, change the color to any color of your choice. I will choose blue here. Press OK. Go to normal, then change the color to color. Select the layer mask. Right now it is white. Press Ctrl on your keyboard, then press I, invert it. Now we only want the eye, that is why it is inverted. So this time around you come to this side of the color. When it is black, you use this tool to change it to white. Now you grab a soft brush. When you go to the brush option, this is a soft brush, this is a soft brush, and this is a hard brush. So you grab a soft brush and then paint. You can zoom to see what you are doing, and then you paint inside the layer mask, which was inverted. We are changing the eye color. You see, we have been able to change our eye color with this process. You can please subscribe and also always follow this tutorial. Leave a comment if you don't understand anything.